Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best baby food maker is probably one of the most convenient kitchen gadgets for new parents. Making your own baby food at home is a great way to ensure your little one is getting the freshest, healthiest meals possible, and the NutriBullet Baby Food Maker simplifies the process. From steaming to blending, this all-in-one system promises to make homemade baby food a breeze, saving you time and money while giving you complete control over your baby's nutrition. Number 5. NutriBullet NBY 50100 Baby Food Making System. This system helps you create fresh and healthy baby food. It allows you to use wholesome ingredients to make delicious meals for your little one. It's a great way to ensure your baby gets the best nutrition. With this system, preparing baby food is easy and convenient. You can prepare food in batches, store it, and even freeze it for later use. This makes it simple to have healthy meals ready whenever you need them. Cleaning up after making baby food is a breeze. The components are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. This allows you to spend more time with your baby and less time on chores. The system comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a motor base, a batch bowl, storage containers with date dials, and a silicone tray. It has everything to make and store food. The batch bowl and cups are made from safe materials. They are non-toxic and BPA-free, ensuring your baby's food is prepared in a safe environment. The durable plastic ensures it will last. The included silicone tray is perfect for freezing baby food. It allows you to create perfectly portioned meals that are easy to thaw and serve. This is a convenient way to manage your baby's food supply. What we like. This system lets you prepare, store, and freeze baby food for ultimate convenience. It's perfect for busy parents who want to make their own baby food but need a grab-and-go solution. If you're looking for an all-in-one system that simplifies meal prep, this is a great choice. What people say. The NutriBullet is very easy to use. It is also very easy to clean. The NutriBullet is perfect for making baby food. Number 4. NutriBullet Baby BSR 0801 and Turbo Food Steamer. Introducing the NutriBullet Baby Turbo Steamer. It's designed to make your life easier. This steamer is fast, easy to clean, and a real time saver. This versatile appliance does it all. You can cook fresh ingredients, defrost frozen food, and sterilize baby items. It's the perfect all-in-one solution. With 5 steam settings and a built-in timer, preparing homemade baby food is simple. Set it and forget it, and enjoy fresh, healthy meals in minutes. Quickly thaw batch-cooked baby food. It goes from frozen to ready to eat in no time. No mess, no stress. Easily sterilize bottles, pacifiers, and more. Keep everything clean and safe for your baby. It's a convenient and essential feature. Cleanup is a breeze. All components are dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time with your little one. What we like. This versatile steamer does it all, from steaming fresh ingredients to sterilizing bottles. It's designed for quick and easy cleanup, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and want a multifunctional appliance, you should consider this. What people say. Its design is practical, easy to use, and very safe. It allows you to steam food, better preserving nutrients, making it ideal for babies and toddlers. It works fast, is super easy to use, and makes prepping baby food so much simpler. The steamer is super easy to use, cleans up quickly, and has worked perfectly every time. I love that I can steam fruits, veggies, and even small portions of meat, then puree them to the perfect consistency, all in one device. It saves me time and gives me peace of mind knowing exactly what's going into my baby's food. Number 3. Bear 2024 Baby Food Maker. This baby food maker simplifies meal prep. It has a built-in menu for various food types, making it easy for new parents. Just select a function, and it handles the rest. This device combines steaming and blending in one. There's no need for separate equipment or transferring ingredients. The unique steaming cycle preserves nutrients and flavors for your baby. It features a 400 ml mixing bowl and high-quality blades for quick food preparation. The self-clean function saves time, just add water, and it does the work. The blender cup is made from safe materials, free from harmful substances. It also has a water shortage reminder. Remember to ensure the lid and cup are properly installed for safe operation. It's a great gift for baby showers and other occasions. The touch LED panel and design fit well in any kitchen. It also comes with a warranty and customer support. To maintain the product, use purified water and wipe it dry after each use. Periodically clean the water tank with vinegar. Avoid washing it in the dishwasher for best results. What we like. This baby food maker simplifies the process with its one-step functionality, perfect for new parents. It also features a self-cleaning function, saving you valuable time. If you're looking for a user-friendly and efficient way to make baby food, this is a great option. What people say. It is incredibly quick and easy to use, which is a lifesaver when you're busy with a little one. It will steam it and then automatically blend it into a puree. The one-step cooking and blending feature is a total lifesaver. Just add your ingredients, set it with the touch screen control, and walk away. It automatically steams and purees to the perfect consistency. Number 2. KOIOS 900W Smoothie Blender with 2 portable cups. Introducing the KOIOS Smoothie Blender. It's a powerful personal blender designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. This blender makes it easy to create delicious and healthy smoothies and shakes. This blender boasts a powerful 900W motor with pulse technology, reaching 23,000 revolutions per minute. It's fast and strong, yet simple to use. Just press a button, and it will whip up your drinks in seconds. The blender features upgraded stainless steel cross blades. They can crush ice and frozen ingredients with ease. You can turn tough foods into nutrient-rich drinks quickly. The blade assembly is also easy to clean. It comes with 2 22-ounce portable cups and to-go lids. Portable hooks add extra portability. You can easily take it to the office, gym, or anywhere you go. The blender only works when the cup is properly pressed down. It has a cooling fan and non-slip pads for safety. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Worried about recipes? Don't be. A recipe book is included, helping you create a variety of dishes. It's a quick, easy, and delicious way to enjoy healthy drinks. The smoothie blender has overheating and overload protection. If it stops working, unplug it and let it cool. If it still doesn't work, we offer replacement. What we like. This blender boasts a powerful motor for quick and efficient blending. It comes with portable cups, making it easy to take your creations on the go. If you like making smoothies and shakes for yourself, this is a great option. What people say. It is so simple, does the job and clean up a breeze. Operation is simple, no buttons or knobs to adjust, simple press down, and best of all, it makes great smoothies and frozen drinks. Strong machine, has no problem blending ice and smoothies and frozen fruit. Number 1. Frida Baby Push Pop Silicone Feeder. This feeder is designed to help babies feed themselves. It encourages them to develop motor skills while safely trying new foods and textures. The stand-up cap makes it easy to fill. It also helps keep surfaces clean, making feeding time less messy and more enjoyable for everyone. Use it with chilled or frozen foods. It helps soothe sore gums and offers relief during teething stages. It's a great way to comfort your baby. The ergonomic handle is shaped for tiny hands. This allows them to grip it securely, building confidence with every bite. It's easy for them to hold. It's made from sturdy, BPA-free silicone. This means it can withstand repeated washes and uses. It's an eco-friendly alternative to single-use feeders. The package includes 1 push-pop feeder with 3 large tips, and 1 cover. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This feeder encourages independent feeding and helps soothe sore gums. The design minimizes mess, making feeding time more enjoyable. If you have a teething baby, this is a must-have. What people say. It's easy for my baby to hold, and the soft silicone makes it safe for her to gum and chew on fruits without any choking worry. The push-pop design makes it simple to feed her, just load fruit or soft food in, and she can enjoy tasting it on her own. These push-pop silicone feeders are a great way to safely introduce new foods to babies without worrying about choking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.